Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you keep plugging your phone in and it's going on, off, on, off, on, off on the charging, I'm going to show you how to clean that out. So here we have the iPhone 12 mini, just kidding, it's the 4S. In fact, this is just a 4, not even the S. But it's the same on all the phones here, so I'm going to show you. The problem is you're plugging it in, you're jamming in every bit of lint and dirt and everything that has compiled in the phone. So what we're going to do is grab a nice little pin here, and you want to be careful not to scratch any of the connectors, but very gently just go in and start just kind of scooping it out. And as you'll see, you'll get these huge dust bunnies that'll come out. And if you blow into it and all that, you're just pushing it farther in. So you'd really need a needle like this, as you can see, to kind of scoop it out, and just be very careful again where the connection would be made. You don't want to scratch that up and ruin it. But if you get in there gentle enough, you can see you'll just pull out all these clumps of lint and dirt and everything. And I'll show you some more here on my 4. This is my iTouch 4, so that's how old this one was. But anyways, same thing. Yeah, just very carefully, if you go in here, you'll be able to dig out big clumps of lint and dirt and everything that's gotten inside of the phone. So I don't work in too dirty of situation at work. It's just carrying it around my pocket. This is the normal lint and everything that you'll get. So if you're plugging your phone in and it's not charging, this is something definitely to look at if it's going on and off on the charge. Also, as far as replacing the battery itself, I do have some videos on that, and so I'll put the link to that in the video description. It's pretty similar among the iPhones, but just wanted to show you this quick video and how you can clean out the inside. And you can also try this on the phone jack. If you're pushing your headphone jack in and it's not going all the way in and giving you trouble, this could be the same issue here. Of course, the newer phones that don't have a headphone jack anymore, not a problem, but any of the charging ports, anything like that, this is something you can do. Probably want to have the phone turned off for this, just for safety. And of course, a disclaimer, this is all perform at your own risk kind of stuff, and just be careful as you're doing it not to gouge anything up and break it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see my other videos in the playlist below. Thanks, guys.